Welcome to Maths class, Functions Part 6. So far we have completed functions and different types of functions, and based on that we did some problems. So now another important concept in the functions, that is composite function, Samyukta Prameyam. It is the combination of more than one function. We call it as composite function. So if f is a function from a to b, g is a function from b to c, then the combined function from of f and g is called composite function, which is from a to c. You can see from this diagram, this triangle f a to b, g b to c, the composite function g circle f is from a to c. And with the help of this diagram also, if a and b are b, f is a function from a to b and g is a function from b to c, then g circle f is a function from a to c. So based on this, we let us practice some problems. Now look at this. If G is a relation 1, 1, 2, 3, 3, 5, 4, 7 from A 1, 2, 3, 4, B 1, 3, 5, 7, is this a function? So this is the first question. We have to find whether this is a function or not. Look at this diagram. What is function? Every element of A should be related to unique element of B. So here you can see all the elements are related to unique element of B. Here 1 is related to 1, that is G of 1 is 1, and 2 is related to 3, and 3 is related to 5, and 4 is related to 7. So every element of element A of A, so A లో ఉన్న అన్ని మూలకాలు, every element of A there exist for every element of A. So for every element of A, for every element of A belongs to A, there exists a unique element B in B such that AB belongs to G. సో ఏలో ఉన్న ప్రతి మూలకము బిలో ఏకైక మూలకంతో జతపరచబడి ఉంది కాబట్టి క్లియర్లీ this is a function. Therefore here G from A to B is a function. ఇది ప్రమేయము అవుతుందా అంటే ఇది ఏ నుండి బికి ఒక ప్రమేయం. అయితే ప్రమేయం అయితే ఇక్కడ దాని డెఫినేషన్ ఇచ్చాడు. gx is equal to ax plus b. g of x is equal to ax plus b. If the function is defined as gx is equal to ax plus b, find a and b. So by using this definition, now we have g of 1 is equal to 1. 1 అనేది 1 తో జతపరచబడి ఉంది. 1 is related to 1. What is g of 1? If you write 1 in place of x, you will get g of x. g of 1 is a into 1 plus b. g of 2, a into 2 plus b. So by this is a into 1 plus b is equal to 1. That is a plus b is equal to 1. Let us name it as equation 1. And then what is g of 2? g of 2 is equal to 3. 2 is related to 3. So what is g of 2? ax plus b. So a into 2 plus b is equal to 3. That is 2x plus b is equal to 3. So this is, name it as second equation. Solving 1 and 2, we get AB values. Now solving this 1 and 2. So that is, I am subtracting first equation from 2. We get, I am writing the second equation, 2x plus b is equal to 3 and 2a plus b, and a plus b is equal to 1. And subtracting 1 from 2, this b will get cancelled, plus b minus b. 2a minus a is a, and 3 minus 1 is 2. So a value is 2. Now substituting this a value in first equation, substitute a is equal to 2 in equation 1. That is a plus b is equal to 1. So this first equation gives a plus b is equal to 1, and b is equal to 1 minus 2, that is minus 1. So a value is 2, b value is minus 1. A is 2, b is minus 1. So a simple problem. So he has given one relation, and we have to check whether this relation is a function or not. Then if it is a function, find a and b. So basically it is a function as it satisfies all the conditions of a function. What is the condition for a function? Every element of domain should have a unique relation with the elements of B codomain. So it is very simple problem. Now let us take up another problem. Here f and g are functions from R to R, and fx is defined as 2x square plus 3. Fx is defined as 2x square plus 3, and g of x is defined as 3x minus 2. Next, first bit, G circle f of x, we have to find this one. Very important concepts. G circle f of x. Look at this. I am separating fx from this one by breaking the circle and keeping bracket. So this can be written like this. G circle f of x. So this is second bit, I think. I am separating fx from the composite function. So this is purely only f of x function. What is fx? 2x square plus 3. So in place of fx, I am writing 2x square plus 3. 2x square plus 3. Now, since f of x is equal to 2x square plus 3. This is only a g function. So in g definition, you can find g of 1, g of 0, g of 2, just like that. If g of 0, we substitute 0 in place of x. If we want g of 2, we substitute 2 in place of x. Just like that, g of anything, this is inside bracket, this is x value. So 3 into x, that is 3 into x means 2x square plus 3 minus 2 as it is. Since from gx definition, x స్థానంలో ఈ బ్రాకెట్లో ఉన్నది రాయాలి. By simplifying this, 3 2 ja 6x square, 3 3 ja 9 minus 2. So this is 3x square, 9 minus 2 is 7. So this is G circle f of x value. This is first second bit, and we can find f circle G. Now let us find first one, f circle G of x. F circle G of x. F, I am breaking the circle and separating gx. So now in place of gx, what is gx? 3x minus 2. So this is gx definition. given in the problem gx is equal to 3x minus 2. So now this is f of 3x minus 2. This is f of 0, f of 1, f of 2. By using f definition, we find this writing 3x minus 2 in place of x in f definition. That is, what is fx? Fx is equal to 2x square plus 3. So in this definition, in place of x, if you write 3x minus 2, so 2x square, this is x value 2x square plus 3. Now simplify by using, expand this by using a minus b, a square 3x whole square 9x square plus b square, 2 square is 4, minus 2ab, 2 into 3 6, 6 into 2 12, 12x plus 3 as it is. So now multiplying with 2, 2 9 ja 18, 2 4 ja 8, 2 12 ja 24x plus 3 and 8 plus 3, further simplifying 18x square minus 24x plus 11. So this is f circle G of x. You can observe f circle G and G circle F. G circle F 6x square plus 7 and f circle G 18x square minus 24 plus 11x. So you can notice that these two are not equal. Already I explained in previous classes. So here what do we notice? Note f circle G is not equal to G circle F. We note this from this one. So next, the third one, third bit, f circle F of 0, f circle F of 0. First we break the circle and separate the function. Now it is f of 0 inside. So we know how to find f of 0 by using f function, since f of x is equal to 2x square plus 3. F of 0, we substitute 0 in place of x, that is 2x square is 20 square plus 3. 2 into 0, 0. So this is 0 plus 3, that is 3. Again by using f function, f of 3. So we substitute 3 in place of x in f definition, that is 2x square. Here 2 into 3 square plus 3. This is f of 3. 2 into 9 plus 3. 2 into 9 is 18. 18 plus 3, that is 21. So this is F circle F of 0 is 21. And the last bit, you can number it as 3. Next, the fourth one, G circle, F circle F, G circle, F circle F of 3, G circle, F circle F of 3. Now, break this circle and write F circle F of 3, F circle F of 3, and next again breaking another circle F of 3. So I have separated the F of 3 from this composite function. F of 3, writing 3 in place of this is F of 3, writing 3 in F function, that is 2x square plus 3. So this is 2, 3 square plus 3. Since f of x is equal to 2x square plus 3. G of f of 2 into 9, 3 square is 9, 9 into 2, 18 plus 3. So this is after simplifying. So 18 plus 3 is 21. Again substituting 21 in place of x, f of 21. So 2x square, 2 into 21 square plus 3. So again the same f function. 21 square, 21 into 21, 21 into 21 is 441 into 2, 882. 2 into 21 square, 882 plus 3, 885. So this will be 885. 885, g of 885. So this is purely g function, and writing 885 in place of x, that is g of x is equal to 3x minus 2. So in this, in place of x, write 885, 3 into 885 minus 2. So that is equal to 3 into 885. This is 2655 minus 2 and this will be 2653. So this is how we find G circle, F circle, F of 3. So in this way we find the values of composite functions. You practice, you become familiar, perfect. So very easy, nothing to worry. Next, let us take up another problem based on this composite functions. Here also two functions are given. One is fx 3x minus 1, f function, both are defined on real numbers 3x minus 1, and another function g of x, x square plus 1. So the first bit f circle f of x plus 1, f circle f of x square plus 1, x square plus 1. We have to find this one. So first step, break the circle and put bracket. So in this way we separate the f function from the composite. And next, f of x square plus 1, in f function in place of x, write x square plus 1. 3x minus 1. So in place of x, so x square plus 1. This bracket value is x, 3x minus 1. Since f of x is equal to 3x minus 1. And simplifying 3 into x square, 3 into 1 and minus 1. So further this will give 3x square, 3 minus 1 plus 2. Again writing x in place of x, 3x square plus 2, that is 3 into x minus 1, and simplifying 3 3 ja 9 x square, 3 2 ja 6 minus 1. So this is equal to 9x square plus 5. So this is f circle f of x square plus 1. X square plus 1, 9x square plus 5. Now let us find the second bit. F circle g of 2. F circle g of 2. Break the circle and separate g of 2. So g of 2 is, since g of x is equal to x square plus 1. So in place of x write 2. So this is 2 square plus 1. That is 4 plus 1 f of 5. What is f of 5? In place of x write 5 in f function. Fx is 3x minus 1. Since f of x is equal to 3x minus 1. So writing 5 in place of x, this is 3 into 5. 3 into 5 minus 1. 15 minus 1, that is 14. 15 minus 1, that is 14. So this is F circle G is equal to 14. F circle G of 2. Now the third one, G circle F of 2a minus 3. Now break the circle and separate 2a minus 3. So in f function, 2a, write 2a minus 3 in place of x, that is 3 into x, 2a minus 3 minus 1, since f of x is equal to 3x minus 1. In place of x, 2a minus 3. Simplifying, so g of 3 into 2, 6a, 3 into 3, 9, minus 1, 6a minus 10. Now substituting 6a minus 10 in g function. Since g of x is equal to x square plus 1. So here x is 6a minus 10, x స్థానంలో 6a minus 10. So x square plus 1. Expanding by using a minus b whole square, a square 6a whole square, 36a square minus 2ab, 2 into 6 into 10, 120, 2 into 6, 12 into 10, 120a, and b square is 10 square, 100 plus 1, that is 36a square minus 120a plus 101. So this is how we find these composite functions. Very easy. If you practice more number of problems, it will become very easy for you. So next, Let us practice this one. So here find the inverse of the following functions. Very interesting. We have to find inverse functions. Already I explained the concept of inverse function. If f is a function from a to b, then f of a is b. Then f inverse is from b to a, that is f inverse b is equal to a. So here f is a function from R to positive numbers, and f of x is equal to f first bit. Let us take up first one, where f is a function from R to R, and f of x, f is from real number to real number, and f of x is equal to ax plus b. So where fx is equal to y, so in place of fx you write y. So from this, if you bring b this side, this becomes y minus b is equal to ax, and also a, bringing left side, this becomes y minus b by a is equal to x. So this x value is the inverse function, since f of x is equal to y. So x is equal to f inverse y. X is equal to f inverse y. So x is the inverse function. So in place of x, if you write f inverse y, so here f inverse y is equal to y minus b by a, and generalizing, this is the finding x value is itself inverse function. So by generalizing this, we replace y with x, x minus b by a is the inverse function. జనరల్గా ఫంక్షన్స్ను మనం ఇన్ టర్మ్స్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్లలో రాస్తాం కాబట్టి, సో ఇన్ ప్లేస్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ యూ క్యాన్ రైట్ వై అండ్ ఎనీ అదర్ వేరియబుల్. సో ఇన్ జనరల్ we write in terms of x. So this is how we find the inverse function. The second one, f is a function from R to positive numbers, that is 0 to infinite, and function is defined as f of x is equal to 5 to the power x. We have to find x value, that is inverse. As fx is equal to y, you write in place of fx y. From this, if you write x is equal to log of y base 5, log of y base 5. So this is x value. So x is itself F inverse. X antene F inverse y. So this is the inverse function. Since fx is equal to y and x is equal to F inverse y. So x is F inverse y. So generalizing this one, we get the inverse function. అంటే y place లో మళ్ళీ మనం x రాయాలి. So this is the inverse function, the given. Next, the third one. The third one, f is a function from 0 infinity to the real numbers, and the function is defined as fx is equal to log x base 2. As we know, fx is y, so replacing fx with y, next here, since f of x is equal to y, from this x is equal to 2 power y logarithm properties. So this is the x value. So x value is nothing but x is equal to the inverse function. So therefore, replacing x with f inverse, x value is f inverse y, as fx is equal to y, y value fx, x value f inverse, the inverse function. So f inverse is equal to 2 to the power y. This is the inverse function, and we generalizing this one, f inverse x is equal to 2 to the power x. So this is the inverse of given function. సో ఇది విలోమాలు, ఒక ప్రమేయం ఇస్తే దాని యొక్క విలోమాలు కనుక్కోవడం. ఇది కూడా ఇంపార్టెంట్ కాన్సెప్ట్, ఫైండింగ్ ఇన్వర్స్ ఫంక్షన్స్. సో యూ go through the video as many times as you can and prepare your notes and practice this assignment. You complete this assignment. It is almost similar to just now what I explained. ఇది తప్పకుండా చేయండి, నోట్స్ బాగా ప్రిపేర్ చేసుకొని. ఇది ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ప్రాబ్లం ఫ్రమ్ ద టెక్స్ట్ బుక్. యూ కెన్ follow the textbook. You can make use of the textbook also. Okay, thank you for watching.